Company Showcase by Luminoah.
Luminoah is very personal to our family. My wife's here in the audience with me. In 2019, we received the news that no parent wants to hear, which is that our 3-year-old son had a rare brain tumor that would prevent him from eating and drinking by mouth. After hours of chemo at UVA Children's, all he wanted to do was to come home and play with his twin sister, but instead he was tethered 24 hours a day to decades-old technology and enteral nutrition pump for tube feeding. We were handwriting logs when he last got a feed, and because of this long tubing that you can see, it got caught onto his IV pole and it ripped out his gastrostomy button. You can just imagine the excruciating pain that he was in. His world was completely turned upside down. And we later learned that this is a lifelong issue for millions across 300 disease states, from a child with cancer to a young professional with a GI disorder to an aging mother with a neurological disorder. And because pumps currently don't transmit data, providers are blind to what's happening in the home. You can't see what's happening, and therefore a lot of these patients end up readmitted to the hospital due to malnutrition, leading to a 5x increase in mortality. That health system loses $17,000 per readmission, contributing to a $58 billion problem to payers in the United States. And this is a $12 billion global market, $4 billion in the US, growing 7% due to the rise of chronic illness. And Luminoah solved this problem by creating the world's first closed-loop personalized nutrition platform, starting with a pump that can pump against gravity, a smart nutrition consumable, and a full data ecosystem. And so let's start with the world's smallest pump. It's so small, you can be wearing it and no one even knows. I'm wearing it with me today. As you can see, it just attaches magnetically to a belt clip. It's as small as an iPhone. Fits right here in my pocket. And then there's a smart nutrition consumable in my front pocket. This replaces a standard 250 ml packet of nutrition that you would get from Nestle, Kate Farms, or Abbott. And now the pump, it connects to the world's first data ecosystem. So now someone like our family would have a mobile app. You could see real-time calories delivered, how much hydration, see weight changes, and how your child or your parent is doing. And all that data goes into Luminoah Intelligence, which is the world's first provider portal, which will help providers personalize therapy and also see if a patient's trending to being malnourished so they can intervene before that costly and deadly malnutrition case. This is going to completely change the way people live. Now someone like my son, instead of being homeschooled, can go to school and play on the playground with friends, or that aging mother can go and work in the garden versus being fed on the bedside. And fortunately for us, we've got built-in reimbursement out of the gates. We plan to launch in about 2 months after FDA clearance. We're anticipating FDA clearance in Q1 of next year. Thank goodness, this team's been working 6 years on this product. I think I'll probably tear up when this product finally makes it on the first patient. And so, the way reimbursement works is the pump's reimbursed at $1,200 a year. It's a rental rate. We sell that into a wholesale channel like a DME or a hospital. And then the admin sets get reimbursed at $10 a day. And then we'll ultimately pre-fill formula. We've got a novel button in development. And then the RPM data from the intelligence platform will generate new revenue for providers. And so we plan to launch with an early access program. We've got 14 of the largest health systems in the United States that have reached out to us to partner with us. And first customer will likely be Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, Children's Hospital of Atlanta, Cleveland Clinic, Providence Health System on the West Coast. And so we'll get 30 pumps on patients at each of these sites, get feedback, prove out an economic model to drive the value analysis to really adopt this technology. And then we'll replicate success at different centers across the United States before then entering into the EU, Canada, and Australia. We've got $200 million in ARR potential with our launch customers. We just launched last week in Atlanta our Series B, which is we're raising $20 million to change the standard of care for enteral therapy. As you can see here, we're projecting in 5 years $429 million in revenue, getting 3,000 pumps on patients next year, continuing to grow as we emerge into the United States and to other markets. Luminoah has the potential to be a multi-billion-dollar valued company as we change the standard of care. And we've got the leadership team to do it. Over the past 20 years, I've been commercializing products in healthcare, 10 years at Pfizer, and the rest of our leadership team really transformed diabetes care from creating the artificial pancreas algorithm that led into Dexcom to then integrating that into the insulin pumps that you see on the market today. The best news, though, is that Noah is now 9 years old. He is cancer-free, and December 4th of this year, he's going to ring the bell, or is when he rang the bell, and we're going to be celebrating that here soon. So I just want to thank you all for being here, and this is Noah 5 years ago at UVA Children's. What a special day that was. You can follow our journey here by scanning this QR code. But thank you very much, everyone.